How to create a PDF from multiple photos on a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and any other latest Samsung device without any third-party app. So first of all, open the app drawer on your Samsung device. Tap the gallery application on your phone. Now tap the three horizontal line from the bottom right corner. Now tap the settings gear icon. Now scroll down at the end. Here you can find the about gallery option. Tap on it. Now here you can see the version. Now tap the version to 13 times until you can see the gallery lab enabled. So here we tap it until you can see the message gallery labs will be enabled on your device. Now go back. Now you can see the gallery lab is enabled message on your device. Now go back. Now here you can find the gallery labs option at the end of your screen. Tap on it. Now make sure to toggle on this option on your device. Scroll down and here you can find the option save as PDF option. Make sure to toggle on this option making a PDF file with image. Toggle on this option. When you toggle on this option, you can see the option. Open the gallery app again. Select the photo you want to create a PDF file. Here we select 5 photos. Tap the create option at the bottom left corner. Here you can find the save as PDF option. Tap on it. Now here you can set default order, reverse order you want to set. Here we select the default order. Now you can see create the PDF file of your photo automatically. You select on your device. You can also add it to add to note. Tap on three dots. Here you can add note, save as a file, PDF file, image file you want to set. Here we select the PDF file. Select the folder. Tap on done to download the file. Tap on save. So it's quite easy to create a PDF file from multiple photos on a Samsung S24 Ultra and other latest device using this Galaxy new feature called the Galaxy Labs. That's it. Like it, share it.